How to install and set up WP Smush in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up the WP Smush plugin in WordPress. WP Smush allows you to easily optimize the website images to improve your website performance. Point the mouse cursor on the plugins and then click on the Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for Smush. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. Great! You have successfully installed the WP Smush plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The WP Smush plugin is activated now. You are now on the WP Smush settings page. Automatically smush my images on upload. This option would automatically optimize your uploaded image and images that are created by WordPress. Keep it enabled. Smush will detect the uploaded images and will optimize it. Preserve image EXIF data. If you need information about your image, such as time and location, then you can enable this option. Resize original images. If you want to save disk space and do not want to store huge images on your server, then you can enable this option. Finally, click on the Update Settings option. That's it! You have successfully activated and configured the WP Smush plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up the WP Smush plugin in WordPress.